Hello guys, welcome to this presentation. My name is Samuel D. Kaya. I am your travel and opportunities companion, bringing you meaningful life-changing opportunities right to your fingertips. In today's video, we will be bringing you our next exciting opportunity. Now, if you are new on this channel, please make sure to subscribe so that every time we post a new opportunity, you can be the first to access it. For those who have been sticking with us, we once more welcome you to another opportunity. And if you work in the health sector and particularly interested in addressing mental health issues, then we have got you covered under this exciting opportunity. The IAYMH Conference 2022, or the International Alliance for Youth Mental Health Conference, will be taking place in Copenhagen, Denmark this September. So, if you are interested in addressing mental health issues within your communities, then this program is right for you. Mental health is posing serious threats to countries around the world due to the consumption of other harmful substances by our young people. So the IAYMH 2022 conference will bring together policymakers, practitioners, clinicians, and people who are interested in addressing mental health issues. Now, let me take you through the step-by-step procedure of how to do your registration for this conference. If you haven't yet subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out on any of our exciting opportunities. Now join me as I will take you through the registration process.
All right, guys, so welcome to this presentation. Let us now take you through the, the program for which we are here. So this is the IAYMH 2022, or the International Alliance for Youth Mental Health. And this is their official page. So this program is intended to bring together practitioners, policymakers, and people who are passionate about mental health issues around the world. So this is the sixth edition of the conference, and it will be hosted by Denmark this time around. So for those of you who are desirous of attending this conference, I just want to use the presentation so that you will understand exactly how the registration process works. So, first of all, before we go to the registration of this conference, let us take you through the cost, all right, so that you will know exactly what to have on hand before starting your registration. So, um, the early bird registration fees will run up to the 10th of June, and then after that, it will go into the general registration fees also, which will run through June 10 as well. So here, the registration is in different categories, all right? And so for those of you who are from the least developed countries, this is your registration fee, all right? 290 euro is your registration fee. And sorry, let's get back there. So this is your registration fee, and you will be paying $290, euros for your registration. If you are from other countries, developed countries, your fees are different, or higher middle income countries, your fees are different. So Before you go to do your registration, make sure that you check these fees that are attached to the conference. So let's go to registration so that we will know what to do when we are submitting our application. So here is the page on which you will do your registration. And this conference is going to run up to the 1st of October, the 29th of September to the 1st of October in Copenhagen, Denmark. All right. So it runs from the 29th to the 1st of October. Now, um, so just like I said, this is the 6th edition of this conference, and they have been rotating this conference. Um, the last edition was in Australia, and this time around they are taking it to Denmark. So when you come on this page, which is the registration page, you come here where you see next and you click on next. Okay, so um, now here the fees are also here so that you are reminded about your fees when you are doing your registration. So you see that in the upper left corner here, um, you see 10%. So when you start, okay, once you are on this page, it will tell you that you have got 10% of this page. So it means you have 90% to still go with the process. So let us go to next. Um, Here is the consent form where because your data is being collected, so they want you to consent that you gave permission to the information that you're going to provide in this um, on this application page. So here you say I gave consent. If you do not, then you tick here. But if you do, then you come here and you tick on I gave consent before proceeding with your process. So in this area, okay, so your name, the first name, the last, um, the organization or institution, the role you play, your email address, you have to verify the email address, your phone number, your country of residence, and then you come down on the form. So here has to do with your dietary requirements or the kind of food that you eat. Some people are allergic to certain food, so you have to make sure that you in this area you um, you take on the kind of if you have some allergic to certain food, make sure you take. So we have different kinds of food or here, and so you have to be able to take this for them to be prepared for you. Um, Here they talk about additional information. If you have additional information on your food choice, okay, and then you come to personal pronoun, which is here. You fill it in, and then here as well, you fill it in, and then you proceed to next. So yes, all right. So you proceed to next, and then you go on and on until you can complete the registration aspect and do your payment, either by Visa card, bank transfer, um, as it is required by the organizers. So Guys, this is the International Alliance for Youth Mental Health 2022 conference that will be taking place in Copenhagen, Denmark. So those of you who are interested in participating at this very important event, you can just um, take advantage of the application so that you are um, represented. Now, to do your registration, just come to www.iaymh2022.com. Okay, here. Okay, all right. www.iaymh2022.com. Once you go to the web page, automatically you will see where you can do your registration. Better still, you can put /registration. All right. So this is it. If you want to do your registration for this conference, it is a very easy step-by-step process, and you can just, like I said, go to www.iaymh2022.com. You can still put /registration, and it will take you automatically to the page of the conference. So thank you very much for sticking with us on this presentation. Please stay tuned to this channel as we'll bring you much more exciting opportunities in our next presentation. And have a great day.